Superior Buses 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan Eldorado Wheelchair Van Stock Number A5371. Fully reconditioned 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan Handicap AmeriVan by Eldorado Wheelchair Van is fully equipped with 45,000 miles. The AmeriVan Handicap conversion features a side wheelchair ramp for easy wheelchair access. Every option works on this van. It is well built, has many options, and is of superior quality. This is for the person, family, or medical transportation operator looking for the best condition, lowest mileage wheelchair van we offer. Check the photos for seating arrangement and condition. We are sure you will be impressed. One owner, accident-free vehicle with a clean title. The van runs and drives with no mechanical issues. The engine and transmission operation is smooth, powerful, and fuel-efficient due to the front-wheel drive. The van is extremely clean and was just detailed from bumper to bumper. It is fully loaded with features like power windows, mirrors, door locks, backup alarm, and dual climate controls. Perfect for city driving and long trips with features like cruise control and economy mode. The wheelchair ramp operates exactly how it should. On the road, the performance is nice and straight, and the suspension also feels great. Features on this vehicle include partial listing 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan manual fold-out wheelchair ramp, AM/FM CD stereo power mirrors, power doors, power windows, cruise control, tilt wheel front seats, removable constraint automatic wheelchair tie-downs, transmission door interlock slip-resistant floor 2-passenger fold-up seat, backup alarm constraint floor tracking front and rear, lower body side cladding 56-inch sliding door height, left and right 54, fold-out ramp, dual climate control. Please call Charlie at 516-692-1111 or visit us at www.superiorbuses.com.